Hi guys, welcome back to Mark's Home Kitchen. Today I'm sharing a super simple, hearty and flavourful dish, sausage and apple traybake. We're talking crispy veggies, juicy sausages and a tangy sweet apple mustard glaze, so let's get cooking. First of all, we're going to prep the vegetables. First now we need 500 grams of potatoes. There's no need to peel them, just give them a wash, cut them into wedges, and 4 medium carrots trimmed and chopped into chunks about the same size as the potatoes. Again, there's no need to peel them, just trim off the tops and the bottoms. You can see I have a little helper with me. My 5-year-old son is really interested in learning how to cook. If you're watching, can you say a big hi to Rain? So you're going to place the potatoes and carrots into a saucepan, cover them with boiling water, season with salt and cook for about 8 minutes. This gives them a head start and ensures they roast perfectly later. Once done, drain them well and set them to the side. Now we're going to prep the vegetables for the tray. So we're going to grab 2 red onions and we're going to cut them into wedges and place them onto a baking sheet. Then take 1 apple, take off the stem, cut it into quarters and remove the core. Then cut these into wedges about the same size as the onions. Now we're going to place the apples onto the same baking tray as the onions. We're just going to take the onions and we're going to split the leaves and just make them into smaller sizes. Now add 6 to 8 thick pork and apple sausages to the tray. If you can't get pork and apple, plain pork does just as well. You're going to pour over the strained vegetables from the pot, spray with cooking oil and move around to ensure all the vegetables and sausages are well coated. Then we'll season with salt and pepper and give it another good toss just to coat the vegetables evenly. Now folks, if you're enjoying my videos, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell for notifications for further videos. It does help the channel and it means that I can make more videos for you. Now place the tray in a preheated oven to 200 degrees centigrade, 380 Fahrenheit and roast for 20 minutes. Now while that's cooking, we're going to make the star of the show, which is the apple and honey mustard glaze. Now we're going to add 200 milliliters of apple juice and we're going to pour it into a mason jar. To that then we're going to add 2 tablespoonfuls of whole grain mustard, 1 teaspoonful of garlic granules, two tablespoonfuls of honey. We're going to give it a stir around. Then we're going to add a pinch of thyme, dried or fresh, whichever you have. Give it a good shake or whisk until everything is combined. This glaze adds a sweet and tangy flavour that ties the whole dish together. So after about 20 minutes, carefully take out the tray from the oven and pour the mustard and apple glaze evenly over the sausages and vegetables. As you can see, I've lost this job to Rain. Toss gently to coat everything and return the tray to the oven for another 20 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the sausages are fully cooked and the vegetables are golden brown and your kitchen smells absolutely amazing. Well, there you have it. Sausage and Apple Traybake. The sausages are juicy, the vegetables are perfectly roasted, and the glaze has a delicious sweet and tangy finish. It's a simple, no fuss meal that delivers big on flavour. So if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching Mark's Home Kitchen, and I'll see you in the next one.